Hello friends, myself Dr. Ruchika Garg, Associate Professor. Today we will be discussing about what is intermittent fasting. So we know that intermittent fasting is the current fad among the people who are interested in losing weight, and it has many health benefits, and recently the evidence is in favor of intermittent fasting, but the studies are going on. And so what are the benefits of intermittent fasting? First of all, we should know it makes your cholesterol level comes into the normal range. It reduces the incidence of diabetes because it reduces the incidence of hyperinsulinemia, which we have every time we have our meal, and it has also been found to be reduce certain cancers and aging. It delays aging by few years, and it reduces the inflammation, and inflammation is linked with so many joint aches and pains and arthritis. And most important, it leads to weight reduction. So what is intermittent fasting? Various regimes have been proposed about intermittent fasting. The most popular is the 16/8 diet. So in the Indian culture, this Vrat culture and Rosa during the Ramzan, and the Jainis, they don't eat after the 6 p.m. or 7 p.m. And they fast for a long period of time. It is almost the same as with what we are learning with this intermittent fasting. In the 16 to 18 duration, 16 hours we don't have to eat anything, and in the 8 hours duration we'll have our meals, and that too healthy meals. It's not that we binge on food during that 8 hours period and then we'll surely have our weight gain. So you can balance it according to your timetable. Like if you are a housewife and if you can manage, then between 12 to 8, that is in the 12 in the noon, you have to have your food, and between 12 to 8 p.m. you can have your food, and after your dinner you don't have to take anything. And then in the morning time you can take some zero calorie foods like apple cider vinegar, or you can have your black coffee or green tea or nibu pani, lemon water or shikanji, like that, without the added sugar, of course, because then our body will go into a fat burning mode. And you can adjust the timings according to your timetable, like 11 to 7. Like after 7 p.m. you won't have anything, you will have your dinner at your 7 p.m. and the first meal you will have it at 11 a.m. or in some people, if it is possible, this 1 p.m. to 9 p.m. But I would prefer that you should have your meal at least 2 to 3 hours before you go to sleep. So this intermittent fasting regimes, they don't allow us to the binge eatings and the snacks and munching we have after our dinner. So many times we have our timetable, like we take our dinner and then we have a munching before the dinner and some few snacks. So that is not allowed. It's nothing more than a vrat. And there are other regimens also, that is 5 days a week you take your normal diet, and in the 2 days you have to reduce your calories to only 25% of what you eat normally. So this is the same as the vrat also, where you have to don't binge on this thing fatty foods as we have in our Indian vrats, but take less of calories, fruits and vegetables, more of healthy food. And so this is the intermittent fasting. And but the contraindications, who cannot and who should not take intermittent fasting, like pregnant ladies, those who are breastfeeding their babies, those who have small children, and those who are diabetics, because in diabetes the sugar level might fluctuate unless you consult your doctor. Your sugar may go into incidence of hypoglycemia or into episode of hypoglycemia or hyperglycemia. And in certain people you may not have to start with the 16/8 regime. You may have to increase slightly. First of all, you take a 12 hours regime, that is 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. You had your food at 8 p.m. and then in the 12 hours time you did not have anything, you should not have anything. Or then successively you can increase it to 14 hours period, that is 7 p.m. you had your dinner, and then in the morning 9 a.m. you have, so in between you are not allowed anything, so you go into a fat burning mode. But along with that, we recommend good source of proteins to be taken, and so it will surely help you in your weight loss regime. But the one thing that we should keep in mind, that we should eat healthy, and we should not compensate for that 16 hours duration by eating a lot of unhealthy and excessive food. Then our health goals and fitness goals would not be achieved. So you can subscribe to this YouTube channel for more such videos. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.